Your doors are the first line of defense for your home, playing a crucial role in protecting your family and belongings. In Orangeburg, where homes face risks from weather and potential intrusions, having a secure door is essential. However, the security of your door is only as good as its installation. Professional door installation ensures your home is equipped with a strong, reliable barrier that keeps unwanted elements, both natural and human, at bay. Here's how professional door installation in Orangeburg can enhance your home's security and why it's an investment worth making. Precise fit for maximum protection. A poorly installed door can create gaps and misalignments that compromise your home's security. Intruders often exploit weak points around the doorframe or improperly aligned locks. Custom fit. Professional installers ensure that your door fits perfectly into its frame, leaving no gaps or spaces for tampering. Secure seals. Tight seals not only improve energy efficiency but also prevent prying tools from being used to force the door open. A precise installation eliminates vulnerabilities and provides peace of mind that your home is well protected. Reinforced frames and hardware. The strength of your door frame and the quality of its hardware are just as important as the door itself. Professional installation includes reinforcing these critical components to maximize security. Strong frames. Professionals often reinforce door frames with materials like steel or composite wood to prevent them from splintering or breaking under pressure. Heavy-duty hinges. High-quality, tamper-resistant hinges ensure your door stays securely attached to the frame. Advanced hardware. Modern locks, such as deadbolts or smart locks, are installed with precision to provide optimal performance. By upgrading and properly installing these elements, professional installers create a door system that can withstand both force and manipulation. Advanced locking system. A secure door requires a robust locking mechanism, and professional installation ensures your locks are installed and functioning correctly. Multi-point locks. These systems secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making it much harder to force open. Smart locks. Keyless entry systems, fingerprint recognition, and smartphone-controlled locks add an extra layer of security and convenience. Tamper-proof design. Modern locks are designed to resist picking, drilling, or other forms of tampering. Professionally installed locks work seamlessly with your door, ensuring maximum security and functionality. Protection against weather-related damage. In Orangeburg, where storms and high humidity are common, a poorly installed door can weaken over time, compromising its ability to protect your home. Professional installation accounts for the local climate, ensuring your door remains secure and intact. Weatherproof materials. Fiberglass and steel doors resist warping, cracking, and rotting, even in humid conditions. Storm-ready features. Impact-resistant doors protect against flying debris during severe weather events. A door that's installed to withstand the elements is less likely to develop vulnerabilities that intruders could exploit. Impact-resistant glass for doors with windows. If your door includes glass elements, such as sidelights or decorative panels, professional installation ensures they don't compromise your security. Laminated glass. This glass remains intact even when broken, creating a barrier against forced entry. Tempered glass. Stronger than standard glass, tempered glass shatters into small, less dangerous pieces, reducing the risk of injury and entry. Professionals ensure the glass is securely fitted and reinforced, balancing beauty with security. Fire and smoke protection. Modern doors often come with fire-rated options that add an extra layer of safety for your home. Fire-resistant materials. Steel and fiberglass doors are excellent at slowing the spread of fire and smoke. Sealed edges. Fire-rated doors have special seals that block smoke and heat from entering other parts of your home. Professionally installed fire-rated doors enhance your overall home safety while maintaining security. Deterrent for intruders. The appearance of a secure, professionally installed door can deter potential intruders from targeting your home. Visible reinforcements. Reinforced frames and heavy-duty locks signal that your home is well protected. Well-lit entryways. Professional installers often recommend lighting enhancements to further deter break-ins. Sometimes, a secure-looking door is enough to make a would-be intruder think twice. Increased home value. In addition to improving security, a professionally installed door adds value to your home. Market appeal. Energy efficient, secure doors are attractive features for potential buyers. Long-term savings. A properly installed door requires less maintenance and is less likely to need replacement, saving you money in the long run. A secure, well-installed door is an investment that pays off in both protection and property value. Conclusion. Peace of mind starts with professional installation. Professional door installation in Orangeburg is more than just a home improvement project. It's a critical step in safeguarding your home and loved ones. From precise fitting and reinforced frames to advanced locking systems and weather-resistant materials, expert installation ensures your door provides maximum security against both natural and human threats. If you're ready to enhance your home's safety and enjoy lasting peace of mind, consult a trusted professional in Orangeburg to handle your door installation. With their expertise, you'll get a secure, reliable door that protects your home for years to come.